Hey guys, welcome back to Insomniac, the number two podcast in the
Oh,
world.
Oh
no,
my god, you
no,
can't
we
do
don't
that.
like that intro, Ishan. No,
Okay,
Ishan,
that's
stop.
that's not up to you. We let the audience and our guest today decide whether that intro stays or not. You all are no one to decide, okay?
Yeah,
And it's
okay.
the best part of the podcast, according to me, of course. But anyways, so talking, we are shooting this podcast on a Wednesday because our guest today and Arjun are
Very
nodes
busy,
and they are
very busy.
busy, very busy. Rishabh is again
Yeah.
interrupting me.
I'm
Nothing
bada
new.
man. Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about KSI's album, KSI, the KSI show, and KSI ka Logan collab. This week was mad. Matlab for YouTube, in my eyes, this was the best week of YouTube, at least 2019 and 20 ko mila ke. This was the best week.
No
No,
chance.
that's only for KSI fans. Only for KSI
That's not
fans.
they, but
हाँ तो I'm like Logan fan ना तो मतलब for me at least. But okay, KSI's album came on Friday, all over the place. What are your thoughts on that, Arjun and Rishabh?
The album is, I mean, it's good, but the songs are more like rap based, which I'm not a bigger fan of.
He is a rapper,
I
bro.
don't really like rap.
Yeah,
I know, but still, like, it doesn't matter. Like, oh, he's a rapper, so I have to like his songs because he
yeah,
doesn't know
pata hai,
how
to
to
if you
sing.
don't like rap, that's a different thing now.
Yeah, I get
Yeah,
it. But Arjun, go on.
but
Go
he
on.
at least tried to include some singing parts in many of his
Yeah,
songs.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
All over
like
the
you,
place.
Holiday, all of them were
It
like
Right.
didn't have
singing
All
a
over
parts.
the
theme. It didn't have
place.
a theme, but it was a good. It
Right.
was a good album.
Right. The theme was it being all over the place,
Yeah, it
matlab
was
using
sorta.
different genres, which is like props to him for trying that, because it can be a very big mess. But
Yeah,
I think he pretty much nailed it. Matlab,
it wasn't a
even in
it
the
was
second
sorta. It
part.
was sorta coherent. Yeah, thoda tha.
Yeah, Holiday was amazing. You, my favorite song from the album is You. Like rapping, even I'm not that much into it. But Arjun, you cannot expect him to do Billie Eilish ka type of.
No, no, no. I don't even like Billie Eilish, by the way. So.
Bilal is
Acha.
good.
But and the best part is ki we okay, like Rishabh and I thought ki Pop Smoke, who is a freaking
Yeah,
legend.
I actually didn't expect the number
Yeah,
one. I thought it was
KSI
yeah.
KSI's album is going to debut
Yeah, I
number
think
one, at
number
least
one.
in the
Yeah,
UK.
yeah. The UK
At
to
least that's
100.
what we think.
UK to 100.
That's what we think. Fam, he is so big. Matlab, literally 20 million is no joke. But anyways, okay. Talking about it, the KSI show. Well, let's tell them the
So
story, guys. Let's tell them the
KSI
story.
show was sort of it was
Arey, nahi, Rishabh, let's talk about the story first. Now, like how Arjun did something.
It's
yeah
always
Okay,
Arjun
okay,
last
okay.
minute ditch करता है हम
Yeah.
लोग
No,
खाली
no,
I
no,
mean,
no, no, no,
last
no,
minute
no,
means
no. Okay,
last
30 hours ago.
let
What is
me
30
narrate.
hours is last minute.
Let me narrate. ठीक है. तो initially KSI show is what we planned to buy. वो 1,500 JJ ने बोला था, but taxes के सबको मिला के 2,100 rupees हो गया. So it was quite expensive for one person to buy. So we thought कि four of us, Nishan, I, Rishabh, and Arjun will contribute and buy it. But so initially Rishabh told कि he's got pocket money, he's not certain about buying it. तो respect to him, at least he
pocket
उसने
money
अरे अरे whatever, ठीक है ना, इन लोग को बोल रहे हो भाई, ज्यादा क्या जाता है. तो हाँ, that's there. तो उसने बोला कि वो शायद नहीं पे कर पाएगा, which is all right. उसने स्टार्टिंग में बोल दिया, लेकिन ये कुत्ता अर्जुन साला
It's
एंड
all my
मोमेंट
fault.
बोलता है,
Yes, yes.
guys I cannot pay, and he was the one who
he
was
didn't say
supposed to do
he
the
didn't say I
entire.
cannot pay he said I cannot watch
Yeah, I cannot watch was the initial statement. Then we are like, okay, piss off, Arjun. I was very mad at him as usual.
and
5 minutes later, Rishabh was our hero for that time being. When he told there is a Reddit post जिसमें that guy is selling the KSI ticket show for
One
free.
guy was giving
हाँ,
away.
and we
yeah,
scammed
yeah.
it we
So
totally scammed him
I initially thought कि he was a scammer. So I told Rishabh I'm not doing this bullshit. But at the end of the day, I saw कि मतलब 5 people have posted on that Reddit कि they want the ticket, and 3 of us
the three of
was
us were
them.
us yeah three of
हाँ,
us was
and
us.
then I commented out like end way, and I was like literally sucking him off. And I mean, yeah, I was just saying GG's and all that. Congrats for whatever he did. He had a promotion on that, but that's not the main thing. And then we had our farewell that day. Let's not talk about that. Anyways, so after that farewell, I get a notification on my phone that hey man, I like
we won it.
yeah, I won it.
We won it
Yeah.
okay we won it
Congratulations, I choose you. So I got matlab the password and of that
we got
account
a
and
free
everything.
ticket we got a free
Yeah, and the best part is कि मैं इन लोग को बोल नहीं सकता था, but you know I'm humanitarian, so if that's a term. So I told them ki guys I won and all that, तो इन लोग को बोल दिया मैंने, and we watched the show together. Well, now let's talk about how the show was.
The show was decent. It was a
6
concert.
out
It
of
wasn't
10.
a show. It was a concert.
Okay, right. So
It was
what?
badly publicized. अगर
Yeah,
concert
yeah,
publicized
bad
होता then it
public.
would have been much better.
Right.
Yeah.
So what KSI did कि he pretty much overhyped it, and initially मतलब we watched it together, it was underwhelming क्योंकि उसने मतलब 90 minutes का होगा, 60 minutes का था, but देखा जाए it wasn't that bad, and we
It
know
was
he's
not bad.
doing
It was not bad. It wasn't bad
yeah,
at all.
he did the KSI show for his freaking promotion, fam. Like literally,
It
he
was a
did it for his
concert.
AOTP promotion.
It was a
Huh.
concert.
But yeah, the Heskey time Limbogni, that part segments could have been better. The Logan Paul segment was good, in my opinion.
Yeah,
Of
that was
course.
one of the best ones, I think.
Yeah. Aw, Rishabh.
My
And then the Sidemen collab happened with Logan, which was
Which is pretty good.
but also before that, guys, मतलब जिसने भी everyone मतलब we saw Reddit video KSI का, it wasn't उतना bad, and he did not purposely scam for the KSI show. It was not
Yeah.
bad. मैं
It
वापस
wasn't
कहूँगा,
bad. The comments were. It was like. They have been clickbaited थोड़ा. Clickbait हो गया.
वो थोड़ा clickbait हो गया है, but it's cool. मतलब and at least he's repeating it. मतलब पहले उसने बोला कि it would be one time thing, but he's repeating it.
For
So
people who didn't
that's
watch.
yeah. So
और फिर
fair.
giveaway भी दिया giveaway.
That's true. That's true. So KSI and Logan did a
KSI
Sidemen
collab.
Sunday.
That was pretty good. In the podcast.
The
So
Sidemen
surprising
Logan
था.
collab. नहीं,
काफी.
Sidemen Logan collab. Sidemen Logan collab.
Yeah,
was the
Simon
first
Logan का
thing
was a fishing video ना, तो it was
Yeah.
good, but it was end of the day.
Ethan का आइडिया था यार. जॉशर होता ना,
Hmm.
अगर जॉशर होता तो बहुत बेटर होता. मतलब
Josh
बहुत
tried
better.
that with
100
easy,
versus $10,000 with Logan
Okay.
Paul. मजा आ
Yeah.
फिर I
जाता.
don't know उतना planning वाने time वाइम नहीं होगा ना.
Logan Paul का भी
हाँ,
schedule
Logan Paul क्या
है.
4 घंटा
Busy
मिला
man.
होगा.
Yeah. And I knew कि Impulsive पे KSI is coming क्योंकि उसने बोला
Yeah,
कि
surprise
guest
guest.
आने वाला है, 18th को आने वाला है. So and KSI का album was launching on 16 and Logan went to London. So I was pretty sure it's going to be KSI.
Yeah.
I watched the episode कल रात के 4 बजे तक and
I
it was
watched it.
pretty
Yeah,
good.
that was pretty good.
Yeah, 1 hour 40 minute and it was very good.
Hmm.
But okay, enough of the past events.
Let's introduce our
Yeah,
guest.
today
बात
we
नहीं
have a
की है.
very special guest. I mean, I'm sorry for making you all wait इतना ज़्यादा. I mean, this is our clickbait and all the guys will simp for her. Not really, but okay. It is time to introduce the one and only Ayushi Genda. Yes. Yeah, Ayushi, you need to
बोलना
say.
पड़ेगा.
Okay, so I'm Ayushi and I know Rishant and Arjun since 6th and Rishabh since 7th.
Wow.
What, कितने साल हुए ये तो बोल भाई ऐसे introduction it was even worse than Saurav, and Saurav just said hi, but it was yeah, okay, so anyways we called Harry, sorry, Ayushi today because we wanted to today's topic is going to be witchcraft and wizarding world / Harry Potter, because that's the only thing oh my god, Rishabh, calm down bro. But anyways we are going to talk about Harry Potter today and the effect that it's played on our lives. So Ayushi, beginning with you. Of course, I'm the main host, so I have to do all that stuff because these two are lazy people, especially Arjun. You know what? Sorry, Ayushi. Before that, guys, spam Arjun because he's the laziest.
Actually,
The laziest.
Arjun is
Oh,
actually
shit.
very.
He has to do one thing. We wanted to be more interactive on Instagram, post clips and all that. Arjun doesn't even want to do that. He's that lazy. I organize every
Bro,
day,
I have
every
priorities,
episode.
okay.
I make all questions. Shut up! Rishabh does the entire editing. With poor guy needs to watch the entire podcast, remove the cuss words. He has to do all that, and Arjun be like, "मैं तो later होगा, मैं तो podcast में pass
इसको सब कुछ platter में दिया है, इसको तो खाना खाना नहीं खा रहा.
और क्या?
नहीं bro,
Dieting
I'm
कर
not
रहा है
hungry,
क्या?
bro.
Anyways, okay. Ayushi, again to you. Over to you, not again to you. What the hell? Why and when did you start reading Harry Potter?
So I went to US in 2016 and
Casual flex.
there, yeah,
Casual flex.
it was basically just a family trip. We just went to meet our family.
Flex
there.
ruined.
Hey, you can say I went for an international trip. That also is all right. Why US only? Okay, anyways, go on. Bhai, we are wasting time.
Yeah, so over there, I don't like reading books, but my cousin, she read the first paragraph and I actually liked a book for the first time. So then within a month, I read all the books and then I watched the movies. and now I'm addicted to it.
Okay, it's like my Kedler addiction, but okay. Yeah, so now you're addicted to you and like if I'm not mistaken,
Hmm.
in seventh or eighth, you had planned one your birthday also based on Harry Potter का theme,
Yeah,
right?
my 13th birthday. Yeah.
Yeah, I have that cup still. I drink
Oh,
coffee.
oh
Harry
yeah,
Potter
the
theme.
cup one.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Where we were all the Azkaban prisoners, but yeah.
It was
No, I don't remember
all of
that.
you have it now.
I have it. I have it.
I
Yeah,
don't
my
remember
I
this.
look
I think I have
I
it.
look dashing in that, but yeah. Okay.
Okay, I just remembered about that. Huh? Oh. So Arjun, have you read Harry Potter?
No.
What? How?
Wait,
What?
what?
I
No.
haven't read Harry
That's a
Potter.
game-changing answer.
No.
I thought you knew everything about it.
I watched Harry Potter like when I was like what 6, like 7. So I
Six.
already watched the movies
But you're
way
supposed to
earlier.
read the
You're
book,
supposed to
then
read
watch
the
the
book.
No,
movie.
I didn't know about that. I was like, what? I was like 7 or 8. Like, how would I know that there were books of Harry
Yeah.
Potter? Come on, man.
But after, but तेरे को पता चला books and you still didn't read. That's surprising.
नहीं, but
Actually.
come on. Why would I read? मुझे पता है the story. So why
No,
would I
but there
read
are so
books?
many things that are not there
Yeah,
in the
books are
movie.
much better.
It-
Damn.
I don't know, man. Spoiler तो
See,
पहले ही
that's
पता
your
चल
point
गया.
of view, to
It's-
be honest. देख थोड़े लोगों को movies पसंद होगी.
90% of people who read books know that books are better.
But
But
there's
it
no
depends.
point. it's
What
वो नहीं है.
what I see from a Rishabh, see from some people ka point of view, they might think कि it's certain plot. You either have to invest 2.5 hours watching one movie, or you have to invest. See, everyone is not a very fast reader like you, or invest 5 to 7 hours reading that entire book. And Harry Potter is around 200, 300 pages.
No,
Or perhaps
that
more,
some are
more.
600.
more. It's like
Some are
400.
600.
Fast,
Some
na?
is Order of Phoenix is 600, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah.
And
So
That's the
people
big
book is
think
like 700 pages.
so people think कि watching movie, that's why it's a better option. That is all right, but even I think कि there are certain details that are not covered in the movies, and it cannot be covered. मतलब in 2 hours.
Time ही नहीं है.
Right. So that's all right. It's your perception, Arjun. If you wanna read it, feel recommended to you. And anyone who's not read Harry Potter, are you good?
There are so many people who've only seen the movie, but they've not read the books.
Yeah, that's surprising. It's kind of very surprising.
So
But
it's pretty obvious कि Rishabh and Ayushi watch movies, but you all prefer the books, right, over movies, or is it
I mean,
otherwise?
if I have to, like if I want to do something related to Harry Potter, I'd rather watch the movie than read. But then I'm happy that I read the book, then I saw the movie.
Did you hear that, Rishabh? Did you hear? That's how normal people act, Rishabh. That's how normal people process in life, Rishabh. No. Wait, Arjun. Guys, so apparently Rishabh, whenever he forgets a certain part
yeah, you
about
can
Harry
let me.
Potter,
He goes very
Harry
out of
Potter,
context.
Harry Potter
Out of
book,
context.
yeah.
Okay.
वो पूरी 300 या 400 पेज की बुक पढ़ता है. पूरी बुक पढ़ता है अगर उसको एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट नहीं पता है. And he's read all
That
the Harry
was his
Potters
love
around
for
7
Harry
times.
Potter.
No.
No, that just proves that he has shit memory. That's what it proves, honestly.
I don't have memory for everything, na. So, recently
Okay.
I forgot what Quidditch was. Okay, I forgot what totally
Oh
what
my
Quidditch
God.
was.
Exactly.
Imagine.
And he's watched Harry
I don't
and he's read Harry Potter 5 times. After that, he forgot Quidditch. By the way.
Oh god.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so-
your memory is shit.
Sure.
हाँ तो
Very-
after I remembered Quidditch मुझे लगा कि बहुत कुछ नहीं मुझे याद नहीं है तो I forgot Harry Potter का 2-3 चीज तो अरे I'll read the whole series again.
Just
I
do
thought-
a movie marathon.
Yeah, don't Google
अरे
search
movie मारो तो
Quidditch.
time लगता है.
Just
वो
read
मैं
the
तो
whole
जब
thing.
stay in a
Reading does
screen
not
ना.
take time.
Reading is fast. Movie होता
Rishabh
है
is Stone Age का guy. Rishabh is Stone
I've
Age
done the
से.
proper marathon 2 times during the lockdown already. Harry
That's
Potter.
amazing. But did we ask? Okay, sorry, no. No, we are doing that. We are doing that over here. We are doing that over here. Okay, moving on.
पता है, actually
Who
started
is
with the
your
fifth book.
yeah,
I started Harry
yeah,
Potter from the
again
fifth book.
interrupting me. Go on, Rishabh. Yeah, of course.
From
Did we ask
between.
Yeah, I started Harry Potter from between.
Wait,
Rishabh,
what?
why are you so
This
antique,
is
mate?
not
Why are you so
Star Wars, man.
antique?
So I think तो in 2015 or something मेरे पुराने कोलकाता में my
पुराने
mom-
कोलकाता में guys.
अरे-
पुराने कोलकाता में.
Proud Bengali Rishabh. Let's go.
So my mom had bought the fifth book. Okay, I don't know why she bought the fifth book or something, but she had the fifth book of Harry Potter in the house. Fifth book is the biggest book. ऊपर से I started with the biggest book. वो fifth book पूरा पढ़ा. Then I realized that Harry Potter is a series. Then I read fifth,
You didn't
sixth,
see the
seventh,
part
eighth,
5.
and then I started from 1, 2, 3, 4.
That is so not
Wait,
correct.
isn't there,
I
Rishabh,
read
there is
Goblet of Fire
literally
as my
part
last book.
5 or something called, written?
7 books, 7 books. Yeah, I read 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is like Star Wars, if you know what I mean.
That's pretty cool. That is just confusing.
Yep, that's something that I have not ever
Star
seen.
Wars.
Yeah.
Hey, no, you
All
can't
देखेगा,
talk to me.
Star
Hey,
Wars.
He
man.
loves
You
that.
are the
Star
Hey,
Wars.
only one
no,
who likes Star
no.
Wars here, bro.
He's Baby Yoda,
Hey,
guys. He's Baby Yoda. Look at him, Arjun. Look at
I
Arjun.
didn't even
Reminds me
watch
of Baby
Uh-huh.
didn't
Yoda.
even watch
That's
that
why I
movie.
like Star Wars, because I'm Baby Yoda. Exactly.
Yeah. Yoda.
Yes.
Anyways, so who is your favorite character from Harry Potter the series? Movie, actually, not. Let's go with movies, fellas.
Same ही चीज़.
So hard to
Ayushi,
decide.
you are the guest, so you have to answer first.
I can't pick one, but
You
like
have to.
um
You have to. I
You
can't
have to.
avoid it.
I'm
Choice,
sorry.
you're on
You have
your-
yeah, I'd go with like the twins or like Sirius Black.
Okay.
The
Okay.
personality also. I don't want to be cliche and pick up Harry Potter, but like
The respect for not doing that under culture.
Arjun,
Actually, Arjun, do you know any? Do you know the characters or not?
Yes, bro.
Okay, go
I
on.
know.
I was just big fan, yaar.
Yeah. Okay. Who's your favorite character?
Sirius Black.
Sirius
Yes.
Black.
Easy.
Wow. Arjun and Tero. Okay, anyways, nah.
Yeah,
What about
Terrorium
you?
is Sirius
Oh
Black.
my God.
Rishabh, what about you?
I think I like Umbridge is the best character, na? Umbridge is
oh
like
god.
the best.
I
What's
knew
character.
that somebody
Who
was
the
to
hell
say
is
this.
Umbridge?
Wait, you knew it. Rishabh would do it. No one else can.
Oh. Yeah, Rishabh.
Actually, I don't know. You know what the? I think. See, I like the lead. I like Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Harry Potter, of course, good. It's me.
So
Yeah,
apart
everyone
from
likes him,
him,
bro. Obviously.
Yeah, I think Harry Potter is the best character.
so apart from him, we're asking now.
Yeah, apart from that.
Wait, that's confused because I don't know who to choose in that. क्या बोलूं मैं?
I think there's so many people. Come
Harry
on.
Potter. See.
Voldemort. Yeah, I'll take Voldemort. Simple.
Nah.
Everyone likes the
Malfoy
bad
is pretty
guys.
good. Malfoy also like Malfoy.
That's a good choice.
Malfoy-
Dumbledore, bro.
Malfoy and
I didn't know
the-
one.
Sixth movie is really good. Sixth movie.
Half-Blood Prince. Yeah, I like that. I like him pretty much. But he's no comparison to Snape in my eyes. Honestly, Snape is.
Oh, huh.
Snape
Snape
is.
is also
तेरे को लगता है कि you like Snape a lot, but I don't. I
But
still
he's
don't like
weird.
Snape.
I don't
I
know.
love Snape.
He's
I
very
mean,
love
weird.
there are a
Snape, I
lot
love
of
Snape.
people who like him because
I
towards
want a
the
hairstyle
end it
like him.
completely
Yeah,
changed.
I know. But फिर
Yeah,
still
yeah,
he's still
yeah.
dumb, यार. I don't like him.
Yeah.
Oh, dumb.
Yeah, Rishabh, I do hate everything I like in life, yaar. Don't do this. Anyways, Snape is good. Matlab, even starting say him, like it just shows ki how he protected Harry Potter all the time, and Harry had a
He
misconception
didn't
about him.
protect him, man. He only
Yeah.
protected him in the last two books. उतना तो
Acha,
protect नहीं
Rishabh.
करता.
Okay, you know that's the thing, guys. I've read I've watched the movie twice. I've read the book twice, and I know better than him. पहले मूवी में ऋषभ when
पहले वो
Harry
actually
Potter का जो
पहले
room है,
movie, पहले movie
तो
में,
चुप
पहले
ना
movie
तुम
में.
मुझे क्यों सुना रहा है? Don't teach me. Don't you dare teach me. Kid, shut up. Ass. Anyways, yeah.
He was very annoying. I don't like him.
Okay.
It's weird.
Yeah.
He's
Snape
love.
I have
Sarah. I don't like
another
it.
Snape is
thing,
a loving
another thing.
character.
Huh?
Snape is
Love it or hate it.
Yeah.
And if I'm not wrong, he was the one who killed the snake also in the second movie when
No.
it was
No.
No.
Long bottom.
No.
The snake
No,
killed
I know
him.
more, yaar. I know more. I know
Vishal,
everything.
Stop,
that's
I
not very
watched
bad.
two
Not that
movies. I
bad.
watched
Not
The
that
snake
bad.
is.
Guys, मुझे बोलने तो दो. When there is a the fight between Malfoy and Harry वाला, उसमें there is a snake that comes and Harry speaks partial tongue or the snake language, and that
Oh,
time that
that
snake.
one.
Yeah,
That
That
you
one, मुझे लगा Nagini.
नहीं, not
even I
Nagini.
don't
No,
know.
Nagini is not in. Is that the second one or is
That
the
was-
ninth one?
That was just the
Eighth one.
war.
I thought you were talking
like,
about Deathly Hallows
last-
second one.
No. So second Chamber of Secrets में the fight between Malfoy and
It's
Harry
not
वाला.
a fight.
Very small.
हक दिए तुम लोग, हक दिए वापस, हक
No,
दिए,
that is not
मुझे
that
सुना रहे हो.
important.
ये
it
तो
was
चुप बैठ यार.
class, Rishant.
It was a class, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
Karna.
Yeah, but still, he was protecting Harry. So I'm just saying.
That's so
And there have been
stupid.
there have been another, मतलब I don't remember, vague memory है, but जिसमें वो clone produce होता है और वो किसी ना किसी का बताता है. matlab you can, it's a shape shifting thing and you can make it into something funny, and it gives the you know what, I'm not that
What are
sure
you
about it, but
talking
it gives
Yeah,
the,
both.
Yeah,
it
what
happens in
shape
Azkaban.
shifting?
It's in Azkaban, it's in Azkaban, it's in Azkaban. But anyways,
Dementors.
The
yeah, Dementor. So
Seriously?
the
that?
shape
Wait,
shifting thing makes
They don't
matlab
Bogart,
they don't
Bogart.
shape shift. I don't
No.
think shape
अरे यार
Bogart,
तुमने मुझे
Bogart,
बोलने ही नहीं
Bogart.
देते. हाँ, Bogart, exactly, Rishabh, I'm in love with you.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
so
one.
yeah, so
Yeah.
Bogart becomes Dementor, and that time also
That's
I
what
guess.
Harry.
That does Lupin does that Lupin, not
Yeah, Lupin was there.
अरे
Lupin
यार
होता है.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, there are certain parts जो तुम लोग कंफ्यूज हो रही थी, लंबी तो है लेकिन there was a certain
तू
part very
खुद
safe.
confused
But
है.
anyways,
खुद confuse हो रहा
ठीक
है.
है, ठीक है,
हाँ.
ठीक है.
अरे
Leave
छोड़ो
it,
छोड़ो
Nate
leave
was
it.
there in that scene.
Let's
Nate
leave
was
it there. Let's leave it there.
अरे सर
Anyways,
Favorite book.
so
favorite book.
favorite
मतलब
favorite book.
Favorite part. As in कि
favorite scene.
I she have to go for.
Yeah, you have
This
to
is
guess.
so hard.
Guess Mehman is God, no?
So like favorite book or like part of the movie?
Same thing,
Favorite-
same thing. Favorite.
नहीं, it can be different also. मतलब let's go with
Anything.
favorite part of the movie. Let's do that.
Favorite part as in
Favorite part of the
one,
movie and the
two,
favorite
three.
book. Let's do that. Favorite part of the
Yeah.
movie and favorite book. अलग अलग करते हैं.
Favorite part मतलब कि इस Sorcerer's Stone वैसे.
Yeah.
I seriously don't know.
There are
I think I
there's a
like the
lot.
starting better. Like the movies, they keep on getting darker, right?
Yeah,
Even like
bro,
literally.
and you can't see anything in the end movie.
I know Deadly Hallows में मेरे को कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा था.
कितना पैसा स्पेंड किया है ब्लैक स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखाया ही नहीं है एक्शन सीन होगा भी नहीं पता भी नहीं चलेगा आग वो कर रहा है ऊपर ब्लैक स्क्रीन डाल दिया ऊपर
True. That's there. Because lighting 2010 or 11 में था, तो we expected it to be better also.
There was
11
this
I guess,
scene.
Halos.
I just remembered where this Hermione she punches Malfoy.
या
वो उसका Buckbeak का scene था उस time.
Yeah.
That was a good scene.
That's a good scene. Controversial though, it won't be the best out of all, but
No, not best. I'm just saying, I say one of the good scenes.
Arjun, not Rishabh, you suck. Rishabh, go. Arjun, go on.
This scene isn't like the best, but it was quite important for the story. It was when they revealed that like the guy in the first movie, like in the end, he had like two faces, like one ahead and one behind, and the
Really?
behind one was Voldemort.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at that point, they realized that the second face is Voldemort. Like it kind of like got
Yeah.
suspense. Like they introduced like the main villain of the entire series.
Right.
That was pretty cool.
Okay, Rishabh, what about you?
तो I like the parts where Dumbledore था ना और फिर Harry they were hunting Horcruxes or however it is pronounced. Yeah. और फिर वो लोग I think they went to his Dumbledore went to his old house or something. I like that whole part. जब Voldemort का ancestor whatever his name is. It was a small house and Dumbledore went there. Actually no. I like the part where Dumbledore went to met Voldemort when he was young.
Oh, that part.
Yeah.
Okay.
When he went to his orphanage and met
Oh,
him when he was
that
young.
they showed in flashback, no?
Yeah, I like that scene. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
that was I
flashback,
like that scene.
yeah.
more.
Harry saw that when he was in the book.
Yeah, pensive. Yeah.
Yeah.
वो कबर्ड को फायर में डाल दिया था. Yeah, I like that scene. Sushant, what about you?
Good question. I think the entire part of Goblet of Fire that's my favorite, by the way. Book मतलब मैं पहले से ही बोल रहा हूँ, but sorry, it's my favorite book. And in Goblet of Fire only, मतलब the entire movie it's amazing, but the end part, मतलब when they finally go for the cup and whatever happens, like Voldemort is formed,
The guy dies,
that
right?
is amazing.
That was not
Like-
expected at all.
Yeah, Goblet of Fire, it wasn't expected. So that is my favorite scene.
Another good part was in Prisoner of Azkaban. The bonding they show of Harry and Sirius. I think that's very important to the plot because he doesn't have his parents, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So
He's a
I really like
godfather.
that part. That's why it's my favorite movie.
Harry उसमें Harry एकदम सीरियस के बाद जल्दी ट्रस्ट करने लगा. He trusted him very quickly.
Yeah,
The only family he had.
well
dude.
understanding
He's my best friend now.
the fatties, I
That
mean
was
the
the
people who
story now.
were the people who he lived with, what were their names? Anyone remember?
The
Dursley.
Dudley,
Oh God. So
yeah, so those fatties were very bad too. The aunt wasn't fat. The aunt wasn't fat, but those two people, bro.
Yeah.
You can't treat someone who's lost their parents when they were literally an
Imagine
infant.
living
मतलब
in
fair
a
play for them.
cupboard.
Exactly, fair play for them to
Living in
मतलब
a
raise
cupboard.
that boy.
Yeah.
But bhai, that's not fair. But okay, it is what it is.
Look,
It's
that
It
reminds me
is
of
what
that
it
movie,
is.
The Cupboard वाला.
it's a story at the end of the day.
तुमको पता है मूवी रूम? Do you know the movie Room?
What room?
ROMM. Room, just Room. It's a movie.
No idea.
It's a
But
really
we
good
aren't
No
changing the
idea.
topic, Rishabh.
Yeah,
Stop.
yeah,
Rishabh, yeah, Rishabh.
I've
go,
heard
Rishabh,
about
We are
go,
doing
Rishabh.
Rishabh, guys.
It really
Yeah,
is.
cancel Rishabh. Cancel Rishabh.
Yeah, Rishabh, go on.
It's
Rishabh,
basically about a child who has lived in one single room about his whole life.
Yeah, I've seen the trailer.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I don't know.
चल आज रात को देखते हैं.
I don't like
But
it,
yeah.
but it's pretty good.
हाँ, ठीक है.
It is on Netflix, by the way.
So okay, now we'll go to
देखा
favorite book. Favorite
नहीं
book.
देखा.
Ayushi, तूने बोला, but just say it again.
Azkaban.
Yeah, Prisoner of Azkaban. That would be like my favorite. The starting and then Prisoner of Azkaban. Favorite
Okay.
movie and book, dono.
Starting, yeah, actually. I don't know.
Starting like Sorcerer's Stone, I think that was a really nice movie.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Philosopher, what?
दोनों बोलते हैं.
दोनों बोलते हैं, so but
No, I know.
Rishant
Philosopher is a
controversy.
better name. Philosopher is a better
Yeah,
name.
true.
Yeah, Rishabh, yeah, please. Get
I
your
thought-
Hey,
Support
philosopher
कर
sounds like
रहा
with a
हूँ.
philosophy, bro. Sorcerer sounds kind of
Sorcerers are
That's
really
cool.
good.
Just-
mysterious. It's kind of cool. Philosopher
Bhai,
sounds
so
very
sorcerer-
nerdy. It's a very
Okay,
nerd
okay.
stone.
Sorcerer is good because it gives an introduction to the wizarding.
Huh.
And basically, it's nothing superhero related. So, J.K. Rowling, fair
Yeah.
play to her. I rate her. But yeah, but
I
Rowling
hate
is
her.
Not that good of a human.
Oh.
I am not.
See, man,
that-
he's not that. He's a good author,
Bro.
but फिर, after that,
After writing books, she declares all characters are
Pele है वो, Pele type of-
they are very different as to what we perceive them to be.
Very weird. She's a very
Savage.
weird human.
I know. Yeah, she was.
My authors are actually unique. I've realized that.
She's clinging to her fame in Harry Potter. She's clinging to it.
That's why she got famous, right?
Yeah, but फिर
Yeah.
she's not moving on, ना? मतलब Harry Potter हो गया. सबको we all know you. But
Rishabh, some people move on.
yeah,
not
she's
us.
not moving on. That's what I'm saying, that she's not moving
Rishant.
on. She's still stuck on Harry Potter.
She's still stuck on Harry
Obviously,
Potter.
yeah, she will,
सुनाई दे रहा है.
The latest one, I didn't like it. The
Cursed
script
Child.
form में. Cursed Child.
Yeah, Because
Yeah.
I read it.
Very
too.
weird.
I had to read
Play
it
होगा.
इतने फोकस से क्योंकि मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या था.
हाँ, बहुत confusing था. काफी confusing था.
हाँ.
Time travel and all.
I'll just wait for the movie. That's it.
Movie नहीं है. It's not a movie by the way. It's a.
हाँ तो play
No, I
रहेगा,
don't
play
think
रहेगा,
it's
उसका
बनेगा.
play रहेगा,
It's a
play
play.
रहेगा. हाँ तो I'll just
It's
watch
a
the play.
play, yeah.
Opportunity मिला तो.
I don't like watching plays. Who can watch plays?
Hey,
bro?
hey, Rishabh,
How
okay,
can
Literature
you watch
students,
all right,
okay, we
Rishabh.
watch.
Hey Rishabh, yeah, don't break my heart
Rishabh.
like that. Yeah, Rishabh, I've done
Rishabh, you're
plays,
right.
bro.
Okay, Rishabh.
Cancel,
I
Rishabh.
watch plays.
Cancel.
Okay. Acha, so Arjun, what is your favorite book?
I have only read the first book, so
Oh, God.
Sorcerer's
Yeah.
Stone.
Mine is Half-Blood
Ah.
Prince.
Oh,
Half-Blood Prince. I think
Okay.
that's a good one.
Mine is Goblet of Fire. By the way, we didn't talk, Arjun, Rishabh and I, we didn't talk about how we were introduced to Harry Potter. So Arjun, how were you introduced to it?
I don't know. My parents were watching it, and I was also there. So
Right, that's
Why?
the most
Such
interesting story
Such
about
an
that.
interesting story, bro. So cool.
Yeah. Rishabh, what about you?
Rishabh
तो
said
बोला
ना.
books है.
Short term memory loss.
I-
Sorry guys. Rishabh से थोड़ा वो गया हूँ मैं. Inspire. But I have a cool story. That's why.
तो
Ooh.
बोल.
no, we want to listen to yours.
Yeah. So now that I told it's a cool story, you all will say it wasn't cool at the end. So अब मैं ये भी बोल दिया तो तुम
इसका आवाज गया.
लोग और नहीं बोलोगे. But school. So Harry Potter का first book उन लोग ने हमारा portion में था. We had to do that.
That is, oh my God, you're lucky.
What? What?
Actually, really lucky.
What? Harry Potter?
You know what's the best part?
Actually,
I don't. Rishabh, sorry, 1 second. We did Gulliver stories in 6th. By the way, I did that
Yeah.
in 4th. I did that in 4th. I did that in
Wow.
4th.
Oh, Rishant ahead of him.
Oh my god, yeah, so smart.
Oh, Rishant,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So, so Harry Potter that was there, and we again annual day was there, and it was based on Harry Potter. That same grade.
What character
Can
did you
Can you
play?
guess? So, you know what? Guess which
You
character.
did Dumbledore, right?
Rishabh, what do you think?
I think he did Umbridge.
No, I've heard this.
Arjun, what about you?
Uh,
What do you think I
I
will
think you
watch?
did Harry Potter.
I heard this
I
story.
don't look like Harry Potter, but yeah,
Bro,
I
you wear glasses and you become Harry Potter. Simple.
Yeah, I was Dumbledore.
Yeah, I knew.
Oh,
And the specs and his clothes and all that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
pretty good.
it was pretty good. Matlab, that book I read and the play I found it quite interesting and different, unlike Apna
Hmm.
Shaktiman and Spider-Man. So that was different. And
Shaktiman.
I got
What do you
into it.
mean,
So-
yaar? How can you disrespect Shaktiman?
Cancel Rishad.
Shaktiman
Rishad.
disrespect.
Uh,
Yeah,
so
it wasn't that
We
cool.
spoke about that past podcast. So
So
let's
again,
talk about that.
we talked about J.K. Rowling, bro. But so after Harry Potter, unfortunately, she has to move on.
She has written
more.
side
She has to. So she has to make more paisa. So apparently, she wrote Fantastic Beasts, and she
Even there are there's like
movie
this
भी
one,
बनी है.
right?
End
Quidditch
up
through the
करा.
ages.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
a-
Quidditch through the ages.
Yeah, I
Years
have
of
that.
Beaten and Bard. I'll have it.
I want to
Quidditch through the ages, bro.
Yeah. छोटे छोटे books है. That's small
Thank you.
books.
बताया अच्छा अच्छा.
Oh, 2 pages.
But they're not
Oh.
big books.
Yeah,
I've tried
it's
it
like a casual read.
Acha.
Yeah.
It's like okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
So where were we again? Do you all know about Fantastic Beast? Matlab, that's the second big thing in the wizarding world.
I
So
love
basically, if I'm
Yes.
not mistaken, Harry Potter is all British and Fantastic Beast is all American. So yeah, what do you
No.
like? Do you like?
No, 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 no,
No,
no, no,
the
no.
actor
It
ने
was just
लिखा
set in
है.
America. That's it. It was
नहीं
just
नहीं
set.
नहीं नहीं.
A
I
part of
mean
it
कि
was set.
नहीं नहीं. The Fantastic Beast का everything is like based in America, but of Harry Potter is based in British. देखना कभी Google
I'm not
कर
sure
लेना.
about
I think
that. I'm not
yeah,
sure.
भाई
I mean,
ऋषभ,
Harry
तू
Potter-
15 बार पढ़ेगा तब तुझे पता चलेगा. But हाँ, I should go on.
That's in London now.
Yeah, Harry Potter is in London.
I mean,
Yeah.
Hogwarts is obviously not in London, but like the train station.
Yeah, it's based in British. British.
Yeah. Okay.
Bro, man.
But then I wouldn't say that Fantastic Beasts is like American or like that.
But ठीक अरे मतलब वो it is based in America. देख लेना तू कभी Google कर लेना. That's there. But anyways, how do you all like Fantastic
Fantastic
Beasts?
Beasts movies are
I
really
can
good.
watch
अरे
it.
जब जब बता रहे हैं पहले हाँ. Okay. हाँ.
Guest
Guest
mehman,
first.
guest बोलो mehman.
Yes.
Yes, he is
This is the
equivalent
first
to God.
time you guys are actually respecting me. So
It
it's
pisses off,
there.
yaar.
Yeah, and probably the last as well.
Next, move on. तो मैं बोलूँ ना पहले तो
Hey,
Fantastic
बोल यार देना बोल यार चुप बैठ.
Yeah, like Harry Potter, I said ki the first and like Prisoner of Azkaban is my favorite one, but I could watch Fantastic Beasts anytime. The movies are so good. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, the movie
Hey, I
is really good.
expected you to say much more than that, but okay, that was Arsha.
No, like so they show all of the different beasts, right? It's really
Yeah.
interesting.
True.
And the plot is also good. And the character also Newt. I really like the character and the actor. So yeah.
Yeah, the actors are good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Movies are actually though Grindelwald का जो किया था वो थोड़ा
I mean, it is. I'm happy they introduced Grindelwald because he's the next
Yeah.
big thing after Voldemort. Or he was, and perhaps there with.
And
Voldemort.
he was mentioned in the Harry
Yeah,
Potter
yeah,
series,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, he was.
Because
he was.
Dumbledore knew
was
him.
heavily in the last stage में
Dumbledore ने
बहुत
लिया था. Right.
Yeah.
So I like how they gave Grindelwald the main stage.
Hmm.
Yeah, I just stopped
No,
there.
but like I think there's more focus on the different beasts, like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
way
yeah,
they
yeah,
do it,
yeah,
the
yeah,
suitcase and all that is really nice.
का Fantastic Beasts नाम में
हाँ अभी थर्ड भी मूवी आने वाली है. 2 मूवी लॉन्च हो गई है.
Yeah.
थर्ड आने वाली है.
Third one
हाँ,
is coming.
हाँ यार,
Yes,
yeah.
next
I
year.
didn't
Johnny
know.
Depp को
Third
fire
and
किया
fourth
ना they fired Johnny Depp.
I know that's kind of
That
sad.
was stupid
Yeah.
actually.
What the hell?
उसको किया yeah.
अरे यार
I know.
let's not get into that. We
क्यों
know
निकाला?
उसका all those scandal हुआ है. 22 में आने वाली है Fantastic Beasts.
पर
14
उसका
July
उसका गलती था भी नहीं पता ना. He didn't-
नहीं उसका नहीं था वो
Excuse?
नहीं
I
था
don't
उसके
know.
ऊपर था the scandal was on him and they
अरे
fired him.
let's not change the topic ना यार.
That was very stupid.
Ayushi, you have to take us for Fantastic Beasts 3. मतलब 14 जुलाई को लॉन्च हो रहा है. You have to
14 जुलाई
कब
Okay.
इस साल थोड़ी ना होगा.
next year.
नहीं next
अरे
year.
यार चमन
14
है क्या
जुलाई
तू?
हो गया भाई हो गया
चमन का ही
14
का
जुलाई।
एक
जुलाई
हफ्ता
हो
हो गया
गया।
14 जुलाई को.
Arey,
Yeah,
next
no.
year.
हाँ
Next
ना.
year. Bad boy.
ऋषभ bad boy.
Okay, Arjun, I don't think you watch Fantastic Beasts.
Hey, what do you mean? What do you think? I don't know.
You have?
Yes,
Well,
obviously.
that's a
Both-
shocker.
both-
Has
both of them.
anybody read the book?
Yeah,
No.
the first one I've read.
I've read the play scripts. They're not books, okay? They're play scripts.
Scripts. My
Yeah,
God.
actually, yeah.
Yeah, I think he's right. I think he's right.
Because like
Dark
Curse
blue
Child,
color,
it's
है
like
ना?
Curse Child ka
Yeah,
format.
I think I'm not sure. I think he's right. I'm not sure though. ऋषभ पे कभी ट्रस्ट नहीं करने का. हाँ, Arjun, Fantastic Beast. What are your thoughts on Fantastic Beast?
It's good. It creates like a whole universe.
Okay.
The whole Harry Potter universe. It shows us what happened before all this Harry Potter. Like it was 100 years before.
I don't think I watched the
Yeah.
second movie.
Okay, Rishabh.
If I'm not wrong, I think second movie में they go back to Hogwarts. They
Not
go back.
No,
Yeah.
nine.
Actually, no, I remember.
No,
I remember.
yeah, I'm 100% sure. I'm 100%
There is one
sure.
small scene, but it's not like
No. I'm 100% sure. It's a very important scene. भाई तुम लोग Fantastic Beasts 2 का ending देखो. It's all based upon Hogwarts. McGonagall is also there. भाई just watch it. मतलब मैंने भी काफी time हो गया. But I'm pretty sure it is based on Hogwarts. It is based on Hogwarts. And मतलब end तक तो पूरा Hogwarts में ही रहता है सब
नहीं
कुछ.
तो not the whole movie wasn't based on this.
नहीं, it's
Hogwarts.
not
सिर्फ
पूरा based
छोटा सा
on.
part था भाई. It wasn't the
नहीं,
whole
नहीं,
movie.
yeah.
का
अरे तुम लोग second
Dumbledore
Fantastic
is
Beasts
there.
भी
I
देखे हो?
see. Dumbledore
Dumbledore
speaks
Fantastic
to
Beasts भी
Newt.
देखे हो?
Yeah.
He gives him something as I don't remember properly, but
हाँ. Dumbledore is a part now of their
yeah,
boys.
yeah.
Yeah. Dumbledore is also sick. He's a good competition to see.
Yeah, he's young in that like series.
Yeah. Albus Severus Potter. Well, he goes in Slytherin, by the
Yeah,
way.
he goes
If
in Slytherin.
you all
Yeah,
didn't know.
yeah. It's there in Cursed Child now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He becomes like a troublemaker or something. फिर time reverse करता है and he पता नहीं क्या क्या करता है.
बहुत ही confusing book थी.
Sasta Flash.
सस्ता flash.
Sasta Flash.
Okay, I mean, okay, so let's just end Harry Potter का topic over here. बहुत बात कर ली. Who do you think is the most successful actor out of Harry Potter?
That's still related to Harry Potter, you know.
मतलब let's get an end to
Harry
it.
Potter.
Game
अच्छा
का finish
Harry
up
Potter की बात
बोलेंगे.
करते हैं. क्या?
हाँ तो Ayushi, who do you think is the most successful
Yeah.
actor slash actress in the after the Harry Potter movies?
As an actor, I think that Daniel Radcliffe and Tom Felton, they got a lot of popularity. But then most successful, I would say, is Emma Watson.
Isn't Emma Watson the most famous out of all of them? मतलब at least
No,
social
so
score.
like recently she stopped. Like I think she's popular because she
Right,
got
right.
related to the UN and she spoke a lot and she started her own movement.
She's given up on acting, I think.
Yeah,
She
right
has
now
gotten-
she's not
I
acting
don't know,
anymore.
But she's
Yeah.
gotten much bigger roles than all of them.
Yeah, I'm saying now she did Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah,
That was
Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, exactly. वही बोलने वाला था. That's a huge role.
Yeah.
See, but if
No,
you
but like
include
now she
Fantastic
doesn't
Beasts,
do
then
that,
she
right?
isn't. If you include Fantastic Beasts, then she isn't the most
she
successful.
started the He for She and then she
Yeah.
spoke at the UN also.
Mhm.
And her speech was very famous. In fact, we did it in
actually,
English.
Yeah, you did in English now. Wait.
Yeah.
Yes.
English में
I have a crush on her.
ethos, pathos, एक और चीज़
Yeah.
था.
Logos.
Logos. Wait,
Okay, let's just stop, guys. Let's just stop. Let's not make it boring. Okay, calm down. Rishabh, next. Who do you think?
It has to be Emma Watson only.
Hmm.
Emma
Yeah,
Watson
boring.
is the most popular. Easily.
Yeah. I
But
mean,
then-
Emma Watson is the most popular, but
Her
who
acting
is your
was
favorite actor?
Yeah.
That is sort
Wait, what? You don't like her as an actor?
no.
Oh, she's pretty.
What are we talking about? Acting is fun.
She's pretty.
I'm not zipping for her. I'm just saying she's pretty.
Same. Bro, same.
Equal actually.
That's, that's us, bro. That's us.
Movies, I don't know who is a better actor actually.
None of them, actually. If you
Felton.
I
look
think-
overall.
They were such good actors.
Felton is in Flash also, by the way, Rishabh. In
Yeah?
case you didn't know, Felton is in Flash.
Bro,
Tom
किसको
Felton.
बोल रहा है?
Yeah. Okay. Anyways.
So,
Felton
I
Gandhi.
think I like actually I don't know. I think move on. मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay. Arjun, what about you? Any?
Are you including Fantastic Beasts?
Okay. Fine.
Oh, then
Part of
Johnny
it.
Depp. No doubt. No one even comes close.
Acha, Johnny Depp. Yeah. I
Yeah,
get
no
it.
doubt.
Who's Johnny Depp? I don't know who
Easy.
Johnny Depp is.
Over Rishabh,
As
yes,
expected.
you don't know Rishabh.
As
Yeah,
expected.
Rishabh, you don't know. You haven't watched Pirates of the
Pirates of the
Caribbean.
Caribbean guy.
He is
पता है
Grindelwald.
मुझे.
but they look so different ऐसा.
I know,
Yeah,
I know.
actually, पता नहीं.
I mean, Johnny Depp is
Recognize नहीं हुआ था.
sick, लेकिन हैरी पॉटर में by the way you all know ना कि वो Albus Dumbledore switch हो गया था.
पता है स्टार्टिंग में
पता नहीं चलता है, पता नहीं चलता. It's
Boy,
subtle,
the
subtle
makeup
है.
is on.
bro his entire face covered by a white
Makeup is
beard
on
something
point.
Yeah.
पता है the actor who was Malfoy's mother, she died like 2 months ago. because of
Yeah,
cancer.
yeah. It
even
was
Snape
there all
died
over the
even the
news.
Snape's actor died person who
Yeah,
Snape,
but
right?
Snape.
Yeah.
Her
I don't
death
know.
was recent.
Yeah,
Pretty
okay. Snape का death was when? By the way, any idea?
I
Alan
think
Rickman, na? He's his.
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
I think
In 2020 May only.
oh that's
Yeah,
Yeah, that's-
no, he died in 2016. She 14 January 2016. 69 की age पे, sorry.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he died. in
2016 oh
Oh, okay.
okay
I'm
I think that's after
Google is
he
wrong.
died
Are you sure?
Yeah, 2016 only. Sorry.
Yeah.
नाम क्या
Well-
actor का नाम ही नहीं मिल रहा. Okay.
His
Alan
you're
Rickman
asking-
बोला.
Alan Walker.
Alan Walker. Alan
Alan
Walker. How do you feel about Alan Walker?
अरे यार, don't change the topic.
Alan
Actually,
Walker,
we
actually,
have
I
to
like
change the
Alan Walker a
topic
lot.
now.
I like Alan Walker a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
Did we ask?
But Alan Walker का पुराना से was better.
Did we ask? Did we ask?
अभी थोड़ा घटिया.
Did we ask?
हाँ, okay, ठीक है. So let's talk. Let's
हाँ,
talk about
okay.
क्या
Yeah, Aryan. You go on, Rishabh. I'll not say.
Rishabh is leading
Stop laughing. Yeah, Rishabh, go on.
No, he's not saying anything.
Rishabh is shy now
अच्छा, you know what? He's confused probably because of course मैं इतने अच्छे questions लिखता, but anyways, so moving on to the next segment, it is not Harry Potter anymore. So Ayushi talking about being in school. Of course, you.
let's talk about Ayushi talking about being in school. Yeah, okay. So
Man just interrupted me.
Rishabh,
Man just interrupted me out of nowhere. Okay, stop.
why
I'll
did you-
do.
come on,
So,
Rishabh.
Okay,
Very
so
bad.
Ayushi, you've been a very important part of our school and of our batch, and probably one
Thank
of the
you.
most known person also.
Oh,
I don't
Rishabh.
piss off, but
I don't think that's true. You're like
Yeah,
way
no,
more
no,
popular
fam,
than the two of us.
I'm popular because of Prasad sir.
Why are you talking about
because you are
popularity?
Muskan's sister, but anyways, though. So yeah, you've been the house captain too, and you've seen the people all around you. So, matlab, do you think, matlab, the people we were around us, were they toxic and did they change you a lot? Matlab, over the years, do you
Oh
think?
God.
No
Yes,
names, of
but all
course.
of them
Toxic.
were toxic.
Yeah.
But I think anybody who's around you, like you will change. But I think there are experiences with people that teach you something, especially at the age we started the school, right? 6th grade we're still kids, but like 8th, 9th, those are the teen years. And everybody has their share of fights during that time.
Yeah, true.
So, yeah.
See, that's how we answer at John.
learn
Hey,
something
we
यार.
want-
क्या 2 लाइनें थी सर.
Wait.
And like 6th grade, we were all new. And in fact, I remember that when we started, the class also used to be like half girls used to sit and boys used to sit.
Yes.
But then like 10th में it used to be all mix. So yeah.
10th में क्या? Oh, okay.
Sorry, 9th. 10th तो पूरा online.
Wait, 9th तो
Yeah.
भाई.
Bro.
I remember Lata ma'am ने recently बोला था ना कि how she used to search the people.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean-
Rishabh, you didn't take biology. You can't say
I took biology
Hey,
in
no,
8th,
Rishabh,
okay?
Rishabh, shut up. Rishabh. You can't speak. Rishabh, you cannot speak.
मतलब
now.
8th first time biology top किया था.
नहीं
I
किया
don't
था,
believe
but
that.
like,
I
एक
don't
assessment.
But final, finale, finals.
नहीं था final. तो एक बार
Finals था, literally
नहीं था
finals था.
ऋषभ.
50 के ऊपर था, 50 का assessment आता है.
नहीं आया भाई तुझे पता है अर्नव वो सबको कितना है नहीं पता ना तुझे तो चुप रह ऋषभ, चुप
मेरे
रह
क्लास में
हाँ तो क्लास में ना तो ओवरऑल
हाँ, तो
थोड़ा आया थे
चलता है
क्लास में
ना।
कोई नहीं था
मैं
नोट्स
उस-
पे
I
See,
डायरेक्ट
end
remember.
of story is that Rishabh can't study bio. Everybody knows that.
Bro,
So-
Exactly, so
who-
you drop किया था
No,
मैं
नहीं,
Why
नहीं,
will I study bio? Why
Exactly,
will I
you
study
don't like bio. That's why you suck at it.
तो
So
I
let's
literally
move on.
taken
We don't
bio
care about
at
Rishabh. We
11.
don't care about Rishabh.
इधर कोई भी डॉक्टर बनेगा?
नहीं.
Yes.
तो
Yes,
जब तक
bro.
सब बायो बेकार का लिए.
लिया ही
मैंने
नहीं
कभी
है कौन
हम
बोला
लोगों ने नहीं लिया है, खाली
लिया ही
गेंदा ने
नहीं
लिया
है
है.
हाँ
But medical नहीं करना.
हाँ तो bio
Medical में you need like chemistry and physics also.
Oh.
हाँ तो chemistry physics सर लियो ना.
That's not 100%
नहीं.
true.
Bio
Right.
और शांत
यार तू बहुत annoying है यार अर्जुन यार.
करने के लिए इंटर फुल साइंस ना, फुल साइंस करना पड़ता
Yeah, you need all three.
Is physics English?
Wow.
I was not sure about that.
I don't know,
You
चाहिए
can take
एंट्री के लिए
11th
चाहिए
if you
होगा.
want to do like
Really?
नीट के लिए
English.
चाहिए होता है, मतलब in India नीट के लिए चाहिए होता है.
Yeah.
भाई कि टॉपिक से क्या हम आ गए हैं?
एंट्री
कहाँ
के लिए
आगे
चाहिए होगा
टॉपिक?
एंट्री के लिए.
Guys, I'm not sure about that. Don't believe us. We are not
क्योंकि
professional.
कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए यूनिट केमिस्ट्री.
Okay. I'm done.
Yeah,
I'm done.
yeah.
Hey,
It's
Rishabh,
needed.
are you
That is
all
a
right,
proper
Rishabh?
university required.
Rajan, if you want to go computer science college now, to pass the to get into it, you need chemistry as a subject.
Okay, we are changing the topic, guys.
Why
Calm
why are
down.
we talking about
Hey,
colleges
ऋषभ को
and
kick कर यार
subjects?
उसके खुद के मीटिंग से.
ऋषभ यार.
Okay,
ऋषभ भी हम
anyways,
लोग को कर रहा है.
ठीक है. तो अर्जुन, you know what, we'll talk about Rishabh over here because for a matter of fact we know, मतलब it's sad now that we realize it, but over the years I knew that certain people used to call
क्या
Rishabh
यार,
certain
let's move on, guys. नहीं बात करना मुझे. Let's move on. Okay. Let's
Hey,
talk about
I'm trying-
computer science. Computer science.
No, we are
No,
talking
no,
about
no,
that.
no.
मैं 2 मिनट
Yeah, तो-
2 मिनट में आता हूँ.
अरे यार! हाँ, तो it's, see, for a matter of fact it is
Okay,
good that
मुझे
people
हो
don't
जाएगा,
call
मुझे
me.
मैसेज डाल देना एक बार, ठीक है?
क्या बोल रहे हैं ऋषभ? अरे यार, don't be a kid now.
Rishabh is ashamed of his past.
What do you
You're
mean?
so deep.
What do you mean? I think I just
Rishabh always looks back and regrets all the actions.
That's there. But yeah, Rishabh, how do you think that it stopped, by the way? Just talk about that, not what it was.
See, it's
Say how-
stupid. If you stop
Oh,
reacting,
it's
to it,
very.
if you stop reacting to it, it will stop eventually, of course.
So why did you not stop reacting to it initially, you idiot?
I did stop reacting to it
So then why would people call that to you for freaking 2.5 years or 1
because they're
year?
dumb. Na, I stopped. They go. I only
They're
see,
dumb,
it,
that's
it
why.
bothered me for like half a year or something.
Okay.
And
I
But
mean,
why did you
can't say
continue
it didn't
kicking
bother you
people?
later on, na.
हाँ.
I mean, obviously till the end, कभी-कभी बुरा तो लगता है.
अभी भी
but
लगता है.
Anybody would feel bad.
it's like I'm not like affected by it anymore.
Oh, Rishabh, for a matter of fact, stop lying, okay? अगर मैं 3-4 बार अभी बोलूँ तो मुझे मीटिंग से किक कर देगा. That's how annoyed you are.
But it
Anyway,
will not
please,
personally affect me. थोड़ा ना जाके यार मैं रोऊंगा. अरे यार ये बोला था, I'm gonna cry
Hey,
now.
no
अच्छा
one
तू पहले
cries
रोता
about
था.
it.
पहले रोता था. पहले रोता था.
Wait.
Oh,
Breaking
shit.
news. Rishabh.
अरे
Rishabh
यार
used to
बोलो.
cry when people used to bully him, calling
Rishabh,
him
I'm sending psychiatrist number in the chat. There are hopes for Rishabh.
Then
अच्छा.
starting में बहुत annoying था. Starting में it was really annoying because of a stupid reason. Blah, blah, blah. अब now I don't mind.
You don't mind people calling you that. Actually, you quite literally sent him the number.
क्या?
Oh, he needs help, bro.
क्या number?
God bless. Oh.
With psychiatrist, bro.
Anyways, so Arjun, what about you? Has there been any incident that changed you, like as a person, that happened in school with people?
Not really.
क्या?
No, I don't think so.
See,
You
one
think
of the
nothing
things that
changed?
annoyed me in lines was like the bottle wala thing. I think the pouch wala thing.
Oh, and actually, yeah. No, actually,
Look,
can I tell
God.
names?
Don't take
Can I tell
names. Don't
No, you
take
can
names.
Rishabh, you censor it.
Say
Rishabh, please
initials,
censor
say
it.
initials.
No chance.
Say
I'm not
initials.
censoring anything. I'm not censoring
Say
anything.
I don't even know this.
No, bro, my pouch was so famous.
You know, say house name. Say house name. Say house name. Simple as that. Don't even say the person.
Like they'll specify.
That will
किसके
literally
बारे में
be
बात
so
कर रहा हो.
obvious.
That will be so obvious, Rishant.
Okay, yeah, they used to
I was
play
just
with
trying
your
to
pouch,
find out,
right?
Bro, every single
Oh,
morning, मेरा pouch मेरे
Bro,
bag में
one man was like at the front of it all. One man.
That was like the thing in the end.
That man annoyed one of our friends. I can say the victim.
Nishant, you're telling his name. You're telling
No,
half
I'm
of
not,
his name.
I'm
You're
not,
just
I'm
saying
not.
man.
Can we kick Arjun? Can we kick Arjun or something?
Bro,
Okay.
everyone has man in their names now. Like Arya man, Ayush man, all of these guys have man in them. You can't do anything.
Okay. We are just going off topic, but yeah. So there are Arjun. According to you, nothing affected you in school, like how Rishabh ko two things affected. Genda ko something. By the way, Genda, didn't people tease you initially for the boycott?
I don't know that you were talking about something that affected. I just said overall. But
Affection, no, not affected.
no, like even like if you're talking about Harry Potter, there were a lot of people who teased me because a lot of people knew that I'm obsessed with Harry Potter,
Okay.
and then they teased me about the boycott. वो तो बहुत आज तक होता है.
हाँ.
And I mean, for a girl to do a boycott, it
Yeah.
is scary. But then I convinced my parents for the boycott. It was not my parents telling me to do it. So yeah, my mom was against it. So yeah.
But at the end of the day, you got now what you wanted, as usual.
Yeah.
The entire world is against you, but still you'll manage on getting what you want.
God.
Mm.
So
No, there's obviously some amount of bullying that happens for
Yeah.
everyone.
No, for me to
It's
know,
not
bro.
that much.
I used to bully people. I don't get bullied.
Bro, Rishant is buller. Rishant
What is a
bullies
buller?
people.
Okay, Arjun.
Bro,
भाई हम
Bro,
dictionary नहीं खोल रहे हैं. But yeah, Arjun, I think people bullied you for not being very social. By the way,
Rishant was
no
not a
one,
good
no,
person
no
in
Rishant.
7th.
who?
Yeah, you were not a good person in 7th. For me.
Oh,
You didn't even
for
know
me,
me.
Yeah,
for me,
7th,
for
8th, 7th,
me.
8th, I did not like you at all.
Why?
Oh,
I
hatred.
didn't like you
Controversy.
till like 9th or 2nd term. Till we started.
Sixth
No,
grade में
no.
Rishant
Ninth का
was
second
bullied.
term. My God.
Actually, sort of, yeah. I didn't like you till like
Rishant
9th or
got
2nd
me
term.
into trouble like 3-4 times in 6th grade.
Guys, how is this changing into this? Hello?
He faked
Ah.
tears. He faked tears in
Yeah,
school
that's true.
so
That's
that
true.
I
I
get
take tears so
shouted
that
at.
I will get into trouble.
That's so hot. And
Crocodile
the
tears.
teacher didn't even realize that you're faking it. It was
My
so
God.
mean.
At that moment,
How
so
can
new.
you
I
fake
meant
tears?
it's not that
He
difficult, bro.
literally
Bro,
cried,
trust me.
bro.
Quite literally, and then literally just मैं class के बाहर निकला गिद्दा के सामने पे I'm grinning.
He started laughing.
How can you fake tears?
That
That's
was-
so mean.
Bro, she hated me so much in 6th.
Did
Like
not
my
hate
Cry
me,
on
lecture.
Rishant.
command. Cry on
Yeah,
command.
Yeah.
For
Why
full
did Rishabh hate me, by the way? You can say Rishabh. I mean,
I didn't remember ठीक से, but I didn't like you at all.
You're not a very pleasant person.
bro, I had my Monrath for some time in 8th also, bro. I didn't even talk. Was it that 8? Yeah, that was 8th only, no?
I think.
Yeah, it was 8th.
You're on
Yeah.
congrats.
Yeah, so I didn't even talk to people that much after certain things happened.
I think Fortnite के बाद only I liked you.
But no, I think after
You
Fortnite
got
you
to
knew
know
me.
him, right? That is how you
Exactly.
like him.
No, Rishabh, for a matter of fact, like me as a person, I don't like approaching people सामने से. I don't like being how I like the real me in front of people also सामने से. I build another type of personality.
That's a
That's-
garbage personality.
Garbage.
That's true because I have trust issues. Genuinely speaking, I have trust issues.
So insecure, yaar. I'm so.
I am insecure, bro. Every freaking
This is
time I
not
trust
so
someone.
sad,
Every
yaar.
freaking time I trust someone, they break it.
Oh my
every
god, yeah,
freaking
so
time.
sad.
Yeah.
W, bro.
You have no
W.
emotions, Rishabh, and you'll never have, bro. That's why you're a BG.
Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, yeah, this is so sad, yeah.
God, bring back that nickname.
Okay, so moving on.
Yeah, let's move on. Okay, no. yeah.
Rishant.
yeah. Let's move on from the question. Yeah.
You should specify.
Exactly.
Actually,
Yes.
kindly stay on mute. Okay. So let's get to the end part of the podcast, and that is about Ayushi opening an Instagram page. Like, Ayushi, just tell what it is. I'm not
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag
This
Hashtag
is
free
not an
promotion.
ad. Okay.
Hashtag
Free
ad.
promotion. Free promotion.
Free promotion, bro.
No, what I think she's doing is good, but yeah, Ayushi, go on. Whatever it is, just your
Yeah,
time to shine.
So basically, I started an internship, and it was not related to this. It was not the idea of starting it that we'd start an Insta page. So while doing the normal internship work, that is basically we help COVID patients by providing information because when you're positive, you can't really sit down and find all the information you need. And for second wave, part there was so much issue with the hospital availability and everything. So yeah. It was just an initiative where we started the Insta page and kind of like promote it. So one of the series we did, that was I think the reason the page got a little more popular was a mental health discussion where we got in different teenagers to speak about how they have been affected during the pandemic, and Rishant also spoke. So
Ooh.
yeah, but mainly
better
it's
mention
about
that.
like
Better mention
Okay. Now I'll actually check.
yeah, but it's mainly related to COVID. Like lately, we're doing why you should get vaccinated and everything. So yeah,
If you don't think you should get vaccinated, you are actually an idiot, bro. If you
Bro,
think,
bro,
like,
Bro, you don't know the
Acha,
bhaiyas
Rishabh,
in
is it
gaons,
oh
bro.
idiot or an idiot?
And
An idiot.
obviously.
You just
Yeah,
said
come
ah,
on.
oh idiot. तूने oh
तेरा
idiot
कान
बोला.
खराब है यार मेरा कुछ
Prashant,
नहीं
you
बोला
don't correct grammar, huh?
I told, I
Rishabh.
said you, Ayushi.
Oh God.
You remember?
Wade used to say this, and every time he used
हाँ.
to correct him.
भाई मैं purposely करता था by the way.
Nahi, you did
Of
not do
course.
it.
Bhai,
You
I
did
said
not
that.
do it, Mera.
I said you that purposely, bro.
Oh
What are you talking
God.
about?
I said.
on.
But okay. I mean, it's a good initiative, guys. I think you all should can add, but go check it out. You can see my beautiful face on it and multiple people, and yeah, I mean, yes.
If you want to know about it, just ask Ayushi.
Yeah,
Actually seems interesting.
yeah. It is interesting, Rishabh. I think even you should speak, especially about like related to harassment.
Oh my God.
Direct shit.
Bro, it's serious
Oh my
harassment.
God.
Yeah. Well, everyone is
Life-changing.
tired because it's freaking 11:30 at the night. So,
Yeah,
anyone else?
I
Anything
sleep at
else you all
9
want to
o'clock,
talk
bro.
about?
11:30 is very late for me.
Anything else you want to talk about?
Rishabh, we all know कि your sleep schedule went पूरे lockdown में 2 a.m. 3 a.m.
Really, na?
Bro,
I
bro,
sleep-
4
I'm
a.m.
very strict. I'm very strict. Don't worry.
Oh, it's very strict.
Yeah,
If I stay after 9 o'clock, I can't sleep on it. You know?
Oh, I can't sleep only. 1000 IQ. So.
Yeah, so our recommendation would be to guys stay positive and don't
Not
cherish
COVID
the
positive.
not good.
Don't,
Okay,
please
yeah.
don't stay positive.
maintain social distancing and cherish the moments you have with your loved ones because you don't know when they'll go.
Oh,
Tough
When
times.
they'll break your heart.
Deep
and
thoughts.
go
Yeah, they can break your heart any freaking time when they are promised like okay, now Rishabh, we gotta
Yeah,
mute
Now
this.
don't get
Rishant has
me.
experience.
Rishabh, no, let's not do it. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching Insomniac. We'll see you all next Friday. Bye.